Morning guys, January 23rd, 2025. So anyway, I got a call from a guy. Changed his oil tank a while back. And he had an oil boiler there. Did a service on the boiler. Nozzle, filter at tank. Replaced the oil tank. And he's complaining about noise in his heating system. So I'm probably going to have to go over there and purge the zones. Older guy. But he said he hears noise in the heating system, so it's probably, you know, air related in the zone. So should be able to go there and purge it and give it a quick purge, and it should be on my way. Try to get you some shots when I get over there. He's an older Gent. There's a lot of old war stories. No veteran. No war veteran.
You want me to move anything?
Charlotte, please.
No, I don't know if that's in the way.
Don't worry about it.
I could hear it. I could hear it making the noise. It's an old time clock.
Yeah.
It's a Timex.
Yeah.
Time all. That's what it is. You might be able to get a new one and it won't make the noise.
I don't hear any noise. I don't know.
You can't hear that?
No, she can't hear it. She's hard of hearing. And I'm hard of hearing.
I'm hard of hearing too. I gotta
if I
wear.
didn't have my hearing aids in, I wouldn't be able to hear you.
Yeah. So what? You have the hearing aids turned way up, so that's what that noise is. You can hear it. You know.
Yeah.
I need them. I need hearing aids too.
I guess we all do.
I picked up this new.
Well,
I got this new girlfriend. I had to get hearing aids just to hear her.
Oh, boy.
It's like, holy cow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You better hear what she's
Well,
got to say.
If that's my problem.
All right, so we just slid it under the couch there, so it's gonna be muffled.
Yeah.
You won't hear it no more, and that should take care of it. And that's gonna.
Okay.
That's the time clock for this light. Let me get you a slip.
Okay,
You
wait
need-
a minute before you ride the slip. You want to make it bigger. I got you here now. And I was wondering, if my shower here, you do showers and plumbing, right?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
All right.
Holy shit! Look at all this stuff. Well, yeah.
Now you see that?
Yeah.
I turn on the water, take a shower, and it seems like it's very easy. I'm wondering if you can give more pressure to that when I'm taking a shower. You know, more pressure coming out of this thing.
Did you try to adjust it? Did you try to adjust it? No. This thing might be adjustable. There's an adjustment right here. See this little lever? See this little lever?
Yeah.
You got to adjust it. Let me see.
You don't want the water on?
I want the water on, yeah. Turn it on.
Okay.
See, there's adjustment here, back and forth. It was in the middle. Turn the water on and we'll adjust it.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah.
You gotta bear with me.
Yeah.
I can see this.
Turn it up. Yeah. All right, so that's the floor
Now-
right
now
there.
this is
all right,
the-
now grab that thing and move it back and forth. Grab that little lever right there. Move it. All right, bring it to you. Bring it all the way to you. More. Okay.
Oh, you see?
See? And then in the middle.
This is...
That's where you want it, right there. Yeah, that's all you're getting for flow, though.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see. Sometimes there's a screen in there I can clean. All right, shut it off.
All right.
Shut it off.
Why is it so hard?
All right. Let me take a look. Sometimes there's a screen in there that's blocked. So you see what I mean by the thing moving back and forth with this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think I tried that one time and I'm not sure. It could be getting plugged up, like
Yeah,
you
there's
said.
a screen. There's a screen in here. Now there is an O-ring in there. I could take that little O-ring out. See that little O-ring will give you more flow.
Well, whatever you say.
Yeah, I'll show you what I mean.
As long as you can give me more pressure.
It's going to give you more flow. It's going to give you more flow out there.
Well,
Let me try it.
I've been putting, I usually take all my showers in the Y, but I can't go to the Y no more because of my condition. So I've been showering at home, and I keep saying, gee, I wish this was a little stronger, you know?
Take that O-ring out. See that little O-ring right there? That's
Yeah.
going to give you more. That's going to give you more flow.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Okay.
I didn't have any complaints of that.
Yeah, she ain't got
try
no
that.
complaints.
We'll try that and see what happens without the O-ring in there. That's gonna give you more.
As long as nobody tells her she stinks, she ain't got no complaints.
Hey, I take showers too. You know.
I know, he knows you take showers. He knows that I'm hossing around there. You gotta press that little knob in.
That's better.
A lot more powerful.
It's better than it was.
Well, I guess I'll have to do. It looks to be stronger from here.
Yeah, it looks the same.
Don't get yourself wet.
Gee,
What do you think?
looks good to me. I don't know.
Looks better.
Yeah, it looks better. Well,
Took the O-ring out.
Throw it away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
right
what else
there.